Create your own template. Already you know AutoCAD default templates. Same like that templates you can make yourself using these steps. First one, workspace. 2D or 3D. Which workspace you need? First you need to select that one. Then toolbars. If you need any additional toolbar, that we need to set next. Next one, units. Then limits, dimensions, text style, table style, layers, blocks, everything we can make before start your project and save that one as template. That template we can use very easily to create the projects. How to do that one? To create new template, go to new or press Ctrl N your keyboard. These are default template. I am not going to use this default template. I just go here, click here, select metric. If you use feet and inches in your project, directly you can select imperial. I am using metric units, so I just select metric. After that, we need to select workspace. Drafting and annotation for 2D, this 3D basic and 3D modeling for 3D. I need 2D workspace, so I just select drafting and annotation. Next one, if you need more additional tools, we can set like this. For that, go to quick access toolbar. Here already I selected this menu bar, that's why it's showing hide. Otherwise just select this one, you will get it like this menu bar. In this menu bar also you can get it lots of toolbars. In this toolbar all available in ribbon also, but here also you can get it. If you need more additional toolbar, you need to go to tools, select toolbar, AutoCAD. Here all the toolbars available. You can add any of this toolbar. Select like this and keep it wherever you want. Next one, limits. From this point to this point, how much limits required for your project, that you can decide before start your project. For that, type LIM, then enter. Now specify lower left corner. This is the lower left corner. Keep always 0, then enter. Then specify upper right corner. This is the upper right corner. I just give here 5000 comma 5000 for my project. Then type Z, enter A, enter. Or you can go to this navigation toolbar, select here zoom all. Just click zoom all. Your area will set for 5000 comma 5000. What you given limits, for that limits it will set. Next one, you can check the units also. For that, type UN. I selected metric, so it is set here properly. Metric units means you have to select here decimals, here millimeters, degree, decimal degrees, always using decimal degrees. So this unit is perfectly set because I used, when I create new file, select metric, just OK. Then dimension style, go to annotation, click here. You can make your own dimension style. These topics I didn't teach you before, but you will get proper lecture about this dimension style in annotation session. Here I just tell you introduction only. Go to new. I just make a style here, D1. Continue. First one, these dimensions, line properties. You can set all the things here. Simple. Simple means this arrow. This arrowhead, that properties you can set here. Then text. Dimension text, that properties you can set here. Fit means it is dimension scale. Primary units. Here we use metric units, that is the primary units. Here it is selected decimal, so it is okay. If you need any alternate units, you can click here and you can make changes that will come as alternate units. Tolerance. If you need any tolerance in these dimensions, you can add it here. Just okay. Select this one, set current, close. Then if you need text style, click here. You can make your own text style. Then select here any of these text. I just select here Arial and select this one, set current as close. Then if you need more tables, you can select here. This is the tables. These tables style we can set inside the annotation. Click here, new table, continue. In that, see title, header, these are all the datas. Select here first data. In this data, that properties here, general text borders. Then if you select header, the headers properties you can set here. Same like that title properties one by one you can set here. Then you okay, then set current, close. Then layer is important for project. You can create your own layers. For that, go to layer properties. You can make your own layer. Just click like this much layers available now. You can rename that layers and you can make the layer colors, which is the line, that all the things you can set here. These also you will get deep lecture in layer session. Then blocks. Definitely all the projects you need standard blocks to create the projects. If you are a mechanical engineer, mechanical designer, you need welding blocks. Or if you are a piping designer, you need all the fitting blocks. If you are an architectural person, you need the furnitures and all you need as a blocks. That all the blocks you can make here. This also you will get proper lecture in block section. If you want, go and visit, you will get clarity in this one. Once you create these all the things, you can save this one as template. Example, I just tell you, I just to show you small one block I just make here for example. I just make example only. Then I just select this one, create, and I saved like that. This is saved here. Actually, these all the things we will need to set properly. Don't worry about it. I just delete this one. Now here it is, the block available. Now I just go to save this one as template. Go to application menu, here save. Then I click here DWT, Autocad drawing template, DWT. Select the drawing template. It will go to the template folder. Now you can save this one as template. I just save here my project. my project. Remember, you have to select DWT format for template. Just save the templates. Here select metric. Here it is okay. Then okay. Now the template saved. This template you can use for your project very easily. Just go here new, select your template. This is the my template. Just double click this one or click open. Now whatever you created, everything you will get it. Here it is the toolbar additionally added, workspace, then dimension style. Click the dimension style, you will get it. Then text style, all the things you will get it. Limits, lim, enter. You can see 5000 5000 what we given. Then here the blocks. This is I just show you example only. For your project you can create this kind of templates. Once you create the templates, you can use this one very easily. You can give this one to your colleagues also, so you can reduce your working time.